Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to add an external hard drive in Steam. So, I've connected an external hard drive, yes. Here, I've plugged it in. Now I can go into Steam, into Settings, go to Storage, select Disks, click Add Disk, and choose a disk from the list. Here's the external drive, that's what it's called if you translate it. If it's not there, click Choose from another location, then click Add. We select the PC disk, yes, and here we create a Steam library folder. I've already done it, yes. Let's create it. So let me show you how to do it. You right click, click New, then click Folder. Type Steam library here. Open it, click Select Folder, and now we've successfully added a new external drive to Steam. To move or install a game there, select the game you need, click Move, then select the external drive and click Move. This was Weller. See you all later.